Yo, what is up everybody, it's Andre. Listen, Vegas, Sin City, land of bright lights, casinos, and enough sensory overload to make your head spin. It's easy to get caught up in the glitz and glamour, and before you know it, your wallet's looking thinner than a magician's assistant after a disappearing act. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a high roller to have an epic time in Vegas. I'm talking about experiencing the best of what this city has to offer without selling a kidney to cover the cost. That's right, we're diving deep into how to explore Las Vegas on a budget. We're talking about hidden gems, killer deals, and experiences that won't leave your bank account crying. So if you're ready to conquer Vegas without breaking the bank, buckle up, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's do this. First up, we're hitting up Old Vegas, and trust me, this ain't your grandma's bingo night, unless your grandma's got an epic poker face and a taste for dazzling light shows. We're talking about the Fremont Street Experience. This place is a pedestrian mall covered by a massive LED canopy that lights up the night with trippy visuals and a rockin' soundtrack. Imagine this, you're strolling down the street, the air is buzzing with energy, street performers are wowing crowds left and right, and then BAM! The canopy above explodes into a symphony of light and sound. It's like Times Square on steroids, and the best part, it's completely free to enjoy. Grab yourself some cheap eats from a street vendor, soak in the electric atmosphere, and get ready to be entertained. This is Vegas, baby! Next up, we're heading to a spot that's all about unique experiences and, get this, a fire-breathing praying mantis. What? Yeah, you heard that right. It's called Container Park, an outdoor shopping mall built entirely from shipping containers. Who would have thought something so industrial could be so cool? This place is a haven for quirky boutiques, art galleries, and restaurants serving up everything from gourmet burgers to artisan ice cream. But the real star of the show is the giant metal mantis sculpture that guards the entrance. This thing is massive, and at night it shoots fire from its antennae. It's the perfect spot to snag some Instagram-worthy shots, people watch, and enjoy the free live music and entertainment they have going on throughout the week. Alright, let's talk iconic Vegas landmarks. You can't come to this city without witnessing the mesmerizing spectacle that is the Bellagio fountains. Right in front of the Bellagio Hotel and Casino, these fountains erupt in a choreographed water ballet that's practically hypnotic. Seriously, picture this. Thousands of gallons of water shooting hundreds of feet into the air, synchronized to music and lights, creating this breathtaking display of water artistry. It's like watching a ballet, but with water instead of dancers, and it's happening right there on the strip. The shows run every 15 to 30 minutes depending on the day, so grab a spot on the sidewalk, sit back, and prepare to be amazed. And the best part? It's absolutely free. Just another reason why the Bellagio fountains are a must-see when you're in Vegas. Alright, time to ditch the glitz and glamour for a bit and tap into our artistic side. Just a short hop from the Strip lies the Arts District, a haven for creatives and art lovers alike. Think colorful murals, independent galleries, and a vibe that's more Brooklyn than Vegas. This is where you'll find street art that'll blow your mind. Murals painted by local and international artists transform ordinary walls into vibrant masterpieces. It's like walking through an open-air art gallery. And the best part? Admiring these masterpieces won't cost you a dime. So ditch the casino for an afternoon, wander the streets, and soak in the creative energy of the Arts District. You might even stumble upon a free event or live music performance. It's the perfect way to experience a different side of Vegas without spending a fortune. Okay, we've seen modern Vegas, but let's take a trip back in time to when neon signs ruled the Strip. I'm talking about the Neon Museum, a graveyard for vintage neon signs that's as fascinating as it is Instagrammable. This place is home to over 200 restored neon signs, each one a relic from Vegas's glamorous past. Walking through the neon boneyard is like stepping back in time. You'll see iconic signs from old casinos, hotels, and businesses, all lit up in their former glory. It's a photographer's dream and a history buff's paradise. And the best part? The entry fee is super reasonable, especially compared to the cost of, say, losing your shirt at the blackjack table. So there you have it, proof that you don't need to win big to win in Vegas. From free light shows and street performances to budget-friendly attractions and hidden gems, this city is bursting with experiences that won't break the bank. Remember, it's all about knowing where to look and being open to adventure. So ditch the expensive tourist traps, embrace the unexpected, and discover the real magic of Las Vegas, all while keeping your wallet happy. And hey, if you stumble upon any hidden gems or budget-friendly finds during your Vegas adventures, be sure to share them in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and keep it real. Peace. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you enjoy Las Vegas without breaking the bank. Make sure to like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.